guys, and welcome to the weekend vlog. I haven't vlogged in a couple of weeks, so I thought I would take you guys along today because we are heading out towards like Park City area, and we are going to do a train ride. It's going to take us to a pumpkin patch, so it should be really cute and it should be really fun. So I thought I'd pick up the camera today and take you guys along with us. Yesterday Elena did her very first day of gymnastics and it was so much fun. I'm going to insert a clip of it here for you guys so that you can see her, because she just had a blast. And it's like a toddler gymnastics, but it was so much fun, and it's parent participation, so both Brian and I went and we both had a lot of fun with her, so I'll let you guys see that.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Oh, yeah. You ready? Looks like a was that funny? Yellow. Good girl. Green. Blue. Nice. Red. Red. What's your name? Good girl.
Also, I wanted to show you how I changed up my entryway for Halloween, because I didn't do anything for fall, but I do have a whole bunch of like Halloween things that I like to put out on my entryway, so I thought I'd show you that really quick before I head out. So in my little basket here, I just switched out the blanket and pillow, and I put in this pillow here. This pillow I found at Ross and it was so cheap. I think it was like $7. So I put that in there, and then with this blanket, I don't know if you can tell, but those are just like little foil pumpkins, like orange pumpkins. So I thought that was cute, and I stuck that in there. Then on here, Elena likes to play with these a lot, so that's why it looks kind of funny, but it says Hocus Pocus, and I found this last year at the Target dollar spot. A whole bunch of these things on here I found at the Target dollar spot yesterday. Sorry, I'm so out of breath, but I've been like running around since I got home because I did work today. So I've just been running around, and I'm finally just like stopping for a second to do this intro. But this sign is from Hobby Lobby. I bought that last year, but I did see that they had a whole bunch of them this year. And then these little witch boots are, look at how cute that is. These were from the Target dollar spot. I believe I bought this last year at like Home Goods or TJ Maxx or one of those stores. This was the Target dollar spot. This pumpkin, this witch's broom, and this pumpkin, all of these things were from the Target dollar spot last year. Last year was so good. This year, negative. They like had nothing. But then I have this beware sign out here too, and this one I think was from like Home Goods or one of those stores again as well, but I bought that one years ago. So all of this stuff is just things that I bought within the last few years. And then the candle that I have right now, it's almost out, but I'm using Gather, and this smells so good. I think it's like one of my new favorites. This one in leaves smells really good, and I did the black one so that I could put it here and it would just like go together with my little candlestick here just on the entryway. But anyways, that's not what this vlog is about. I just wanted to show you that, just give you some ideas if you haven't like finished decorating or anything like that. But I'm just gonna hop in the car right now because we have quite a bit of a drive to get out there, and we kind of like wanted to walk around Park City for a little bit before it gets too cold, because between here and Park City, the temperature difference is quite big. So I'm hoping it's not going to be too cold out there, but it's a beautiful sunny day out, so I'm really excited to get going.
show me her outfit?
You see her dance?
You want some popcorn? Show me your hat. Let me see your witch's hat. Model it for me. Close.
Vogue. You vogue.
Let's see, Elena. She's wearing a little ghost outfit. It's a little big, but it's okay. Are we leaving? Can you say goodbye? Hey, listen, my love. Elena. Hey. Hey, sweet girl. Hey, say bye.
Goodbye.
Let us know your house.
Doodle. Oh, am I gonna do it hard? Yeah, those look good. Okay, come on. Let's go. Here, I'll help you. I got you. Okay, go. Follow mommy.
You're gonna get dizzy. You dancing? Good morning. So it's clearly the next day. Yesterday, after we did the train ride and picked out our pumpkin, I just totally forgot that I was vlogging, so I didn't pick up the camera again. But all we did after the train was just go to get dinner. We just had some pizza for dinner. Hi, my love. And then right now my dad is here at our house. He's just waiting for us. Bryant's downstairs switching out the car seat from our little car into our family car so that we can all go out together. I think we're just gonna go and like shop around, go to this like open mall. And I think that's all we're doing today. We didn't expect my dad coming today, but he texted me this morning, asked us if we had any plans. So he came on over, and Elena was so happy to see him. She was so excited, running around all over the place and just laughing. So, hey, do you want to show me your outfit? I'm going to show you Elena's outfit of the day. Show me your outfit, Elena. Hey, show me. What is that? Can I see that? Will you show me your outfit? Spin. Come here. Spin. I just love those booties. Let's see. Wow, you're so cute. Are you looking at yourself in the mirror? You're so cute, Elena. Are you loving your shoes? Wow. Oh.
Hey, jump. Please show me. Show me. Ready, set, jump. Otra vez. Show me again. Jump, jump. Again. Ready, 1, 2, 3, jump.
Yes.
You're on timeout. Face the ball. You're on timeout. What did I say?
in a shopping cart. What are you doing, my love? She just has one of their wipes. It's like way dry now, but she's just been cleaning the bar. Are you cleaning? Wow, so clean. So we're home again. My dad, sister, and Bryant left probably like 2 hours ago. Yeah, it's been like 2 hours since they left. And Elena was napping when everyone left, and she slept for maybe like another 30 minutes after everyone was gone. Then once she got up, her and I, we just cuddled on the couch for a little while, because whenever she wakes up, she just wakes up all like cuddly and just doesn't want to be put down. So we cuddled on the couch for a little bit, and then made a trip out to Walmart because we had run out of dog food for Ellie, so she hadn't eaten all day. So I needed to make sure to go and get dog food for her before the day's end. So she's over there eating right now, currently sitting in Elena's playroom. She was just in here and she just ran off. But I think I'm just gonna end the vlog now. I think I'm gonna try maybe to go upstairs right now and organize Elena's closet. I'm gonna film a like nursery clean and declutter because with the change of the seasons, I want to get all of her summer clothes out, because I do not expect there to be any more warm days coming. We're like now in the 50s, so I'm gonna take out all of her summer clothes, and then I'm gonna put that away and then just make room for her fall and winter stuff in her closet and in her dresser. So we'll see if I feel up to that today. If not, I do also have tomorrow off, so I may just wait and do it tomorrow and hopefully have that video up for you on Thursday. So we'll see how that goes and how I'm feeling. But I'm just gonna end the video now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of your comments and all of your likes, and anything helps my channel. All of your support, I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, do so. It's totally free to do. And if you watch my videos anyway, go ahead and click that red subscribe button, because it does help me out a lot. And that is it. Thank you for watching again, like always, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Elena, what's on your head? What is that? What are you doing? There's no sticky on this anymore. What is this? You're so silly. You're so silly. See you later.